Let's be honest, up until now, we haven't really been using AI agents. We've been using glorified chat boxes. You find a link, copy the text, paste it, and tell the AI to summarize it. Then it tells you it can't access the website. That's not productivity. That's just you being a middleman for a machine. But today, that era is officially over. I'm Ryan, and today we're looking at the ultimate 2026 career cheat code, Manus AI. This isn't just another tab in your browser. It's a general-purpose agent that actually does the work for you. No more manual data hauling, no more prompt engineering. Let's dive in. If your boss asked for a competitor analysis, you'd waste your whole Tuesday getting lost in fragmented data and thick reports. With Manus, look at the screen right now. Look at that. It's not just searching the web, it's navigating the web. It bypasses friction and it keeps moving. This is what we mean by an agent. It doesn't ask you for permission at every step. It solves problems in real time. Not chatting with me about research, it is doing the research. With Manus grinding away at the data, working around the clock for me, I get to step back and focus on the big picture. That's the gap between using a tool and being the operator. But here is the real kicker. Collecting data is only 20% of the job. The real pain is structuring it. Most AI models give you a bunch of text. Good luck putting that into a presentation. But Manus? It understands the output is what matters to your manager. Look at this. It took messy browser finds and instantly structured them into a clean comparison table. It didn't just stop there. I can tell it to convert this to a slide deck outline or a website, and it's done in 5 minutes. It removes the most boring part, reformatting. You're no longer a data entry clerk. You're the editor-in-chief of your own AI workforce. A lot of people ask, okay, Ryan, but does it play nicely with my other apps? In 2026, the answer is yes. Manus uses what they call connectors. It reaches into your digital ecosystem, updates your database, schedules the meeting, and sends the email. This is end-to-end automation. You aren't bouncing between different apps anymore. Manus is the glue. It's the operating system. You just stay in the flow state while the tedious chores get handled in the background. Finally, let's talk about the biggest frustration with AI, consistency. How many times have you had to re-explain your company's brand voice or your specific reporting style to an AI? Every single session, right? Manus fixed this with Project. I just dropped my standard operating procedures into this space once. From that point on, Manus knows me. It knows I hate bullet points that are too long. It knows I prefer a bottom line up front style. It remembers my past projects so I never have to repeat myself. It stops being a stranger you're meeting for the first time and starts being a partner who knows exactly how you like your work delivered. So what's the bottom line here? The arrival of agents like Manus means the entry-level bar in the workplace has shifted. In the past, you were hired because you were good at the hustle, the searching, the sorting, the manual labor. But in 2026, that's table stakes. The machine does that now. Your value today isn't about knowing how to use prompts or hidden shortcuts. It's about how clearly you can define a mission. If you're ready to stop being a human data shuttler and start being a true strategist, you need to get your hands on Manus AI. Stop wasting your time on the how and start focusing on the what. Go check it out at the link below. Your workdays will never be the same. I'm Ryan. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and insights. I'll see you in the next one.